Hi, Bob.
Teacher, wait for me.
Okay. Take your time.
Okay, now.
Are you eating?
Okay.
Are you eating, Bob? Hello, Bob. It's wonderful to see you again. Wait, did you just finish your breakfast? Oh, you're still eating? What are you eating? Why are you not using spoon? Why are you not using spoon? No, that is not spoon. What are you eating? Is that rice?
Carrots.
Okay. So that is what you're having for. Okay, so you're using ladle to eat. Where is your spoon? You don't have spoon? Oh my gosh. Okay, so enjoy eating. Did you go for a swim today?
Yes.
Okay, sounds fun. What about in the afternoon? Do you have any plans? Oh, not at
No.
all. Okay, so you'll just stay in your apartment?
Yes, and 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Exact on the clock p.m. I will go to school.
Do you have do you still have karate class, Bam? Oh, yes, you do. Okay, sounds.
It has, but it is on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. No, and Saturday.
Okay. So, you still have a lot of time to relax, Bam. Now, let me share my screen. And for today, we will have your homework first. This is, I think, the easiest homework in the whole world. Okay, wait, let me download it first. Have you seen your homework, Bam? Bam,
Hmm?
have you seen your homework? No? Why? Why not? I thought you answered it already. Okay, so now, Bomb, let us start by answering item one. What is your answer here? It is.
C.
Okay, yes, it's C, raining. What about two?
B.
Okay, very, very good. Okay, C, B. What about for the next one?
C.
Okay, C. Sure?
A.
Are you sure with your
A.
answer now? You
Yes.
said C and
A.
then you said A. Okay, now the
A.
correct answer here, Bob, is B. Do you know why? So you are just guessing all this time?
No.
Oh, you're not guessing. Now the
I
correct
am
answer.
having shower.
Ah, no, it's not. I am having a shower every morning. We only use I'm having, Bob, if it is happening right now around this time or if it is a future arrangement, Bob. However, in here it happens every morning, which means it becomes a routine. Okay, so present simple, Bob. I have a shower every morning. Okay? Now, what about for the next one? I like.
I like your new house.
Okay, where is new house? It's just house. We don't have new house. Okay, so it's I like your house. So we have two your here. Okay, so it could be A or D. Now, what about for the next one? Next one, blank house is smaller than blank.
Our house is
Ours
smaller than
house?
theirs.
Ours house?
Our
Okay, our house is smaller than
theirs.
theirs. Okay, very good. Our house is smaller than theirs. Next one.
The children
Hmm.
are older than her.
Okay, very good. My children are older than her. Okay, next.
Who's talking to your sister?
Okay, is it C or B?
Whose?
Okay, who is? It's B. Who is talking to your sister? Next one now, Bomb. This book isn't.
Book isn't mine. It is yours.
Is it yours? Okay, this book isn't mine. Is it yours? It's the next one, Bomb. Blank dictionary is this.
Who? Hey,
Okay, whose dictionary is this? It's him. Are you sure? Is it A? Is it A? Are you sure with your answer? Whose
yes.
dictionary is this? It's him?
What is the dictionary? Dictionary.
You don't know what a dictionary is? A dictionary, it is a book full of vocabulary with its meaning, its definition, like for example, um, play. Okay, play, and then next here it would be its definition. It is the act of playing or doing something. For example, okay, playing basketball, playing with your friends. Okay, that is playing. That is a dictionary. Now, what is your answer here? Whose dictionary is
Whose
this?
dictionary?
It's
C.
okay, it's C. It's his. Okay. Next one now.
Who's going to the party tonight?
Okay.
I am not.
Is it A or C?
C.
Okay, very good. Next one. And
their garden is bigger than ours.
very good, their garden is bigger than ours. Next one. Blank dog.
Whose dog is running round our garden?
Okay, yes, very good.
We
Whose
do this
dog?
already.
No, we're not done with this one, This is another one, a new one. Okay.
But the dog.
Oh yes,
Two
this
of
one.
these.
Yes, we're done with this one. I think it's a repeated question. Just this one, right? But just this one.
Play this one. We do this one too.
Where?
This one.
Oh, okay. I
do it. We do this already.
So can you tell me the answer then?
I'm playing tennis this afternoon.
Very good. Next one, we
have
been.
been pizza
We
for dinner tonight.
having pizza?
We are.
Okay, yes, we are having pizza for dinner tonight. Next one.
Whose food are these?
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, wait, let me erase all of it first. And now, what about in here?
Which do you? What do you do after school today?
Okay, very good. What? Next one.
Where
Where?
are you going tonight?
Okay, yes, very good. Next,
She's playing tennis every day.
Okay, she is playing. We don't have is playing.
Playing.
She playing? No? Or play?
Plays.
Okay, it's plays. This is present simple, bomb every day. It's a routine. Now, my daughter,
Speaks.
very good, speaks French and German. Last one, Sally.
Half. Hat.
Had,
Has.
has, has. You sure? Very sure? 100%? Okay, at the moment, bomb, it is happening right
Oh.
now. So it's present continuous. What will be our answer?
Hat.
Is having. Is
What
having.
happens? Wait a minute. This
You are 100% sure of your answer? Okay, so now
100%.
100%. Okay, so it's Sally is having breakfast at the moment. Okay, so like this, Bomb, we have here at the moment. This is a phrase that indicates the action is happening right now. So remember, if it is happening right now, is are and plus the ing. But if it is present simple, all you have to do is to add s or es if our subject is singular. But if it is plural, Bomb, you have to use the base form of the verb. Okay, base form of the verb. Now, next one, let us have your book now. Okay, so can you tell me again what it means when we say gripping, Bomb, gripping?
Gripping, like it is like we get something.
We get something? That is grab. That is grabbing. Do you mean this one? Wait. To grab something.
Nắm lấy,
Oh, but this one we have gripping. Gripping, not grabbing. What do you think?
Like we grip on someone.
We grip on someone? Okay, so again, when we say gripping, Bomb, it means that something is very interesting, it's exciting, and it is keeping your attention. Okay, so it is very exciting to the point that it is holding your attention. That is gripping. What about page turner?
Page turner, it is we turn the page.
Okay, when we turn the page, okay, but in here, Bomb, it's not a verb. It is a noun. It is a noun. Page turner. Oh, we have talked about this one already, Bomb. We're supposed to have exercise 3, but we'll have a quick review first. Now I see why the need to have a review because you have forgotten it. Page turner. When can we say that a book is page turner?
Oh, like the book, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I will turn the book.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and
your time.
we turn the page.
Mm-hmm. We turn the page. That would be a
And then we
verb.
write. We write.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, when we say page turner, it means that it is a very exciting or interesting book, okay? That you want to keep on reading it. Okay, page turner. It's very exciting and interesting that you want to keep reading it. You want to keep on flipping the pages. Okay. However, when we say gripping, it is holding your attention. It is keeping your attention. What about dull? Dull.
Don't. It means like we love someone.
We love someone? Dull?
Yes.
Are you sure? That is a different word, That is adore. That is adore. We have dull. Dull. When we say adore, why did you erase it? When we say adore, that is, it means you love something or someone very much. But we're talking about the word dull. Dull.
Well,
Yes, dull.
like it is a story.
Mm-hmm. What about the story?
It is sad.
Okay. Now, when we say dull, it means it is not interesting or exciting. In short form, it is boring. Okay, they are the same. Dull and boring, they are the same. Okay? Not interesting. It is not catching your attention. Okay? Now, what about terrible? Terrible.
Terrible. It means like the food. It is very terrible.
Terrible. So, which means the food is? It tastes good?
Terrible.
Okay,
Not good. It
okay,
doesn't.
okay, it's not good. It's very bad. Now, let us have exercise 3. Can you tell me again what it means when we say fiction?
Fiction, like something is not real.
Very good. Okay, so it's imaginative. What about horror?
Horror, it means like a film, but it is very scary or make someone scared.
Okay, very good. What about science fiction?
Science fiction, like science. Wait a minute. Science makes things, but it doesn't real.
Okay, yes, it is fiction as well. Okay, so it's about the future, space, and advanced technology. What about fantasy?
Fantasy, it is a film, and it is very fun and fantastic.
It's fun and fantastic. It is a type of movie, bomb.
Oh, it is
So
very. It is like a movie, and lots of people like it.
Okay, so it involves adventures, magics, mythical creatures, and as well as imaginary worlds. Okay, that is fantasy, like Harry Potter. We've talked about this one, right? Okay, now what about romance?
Romance, it means like a film.
A
It
film
is very
about?
funny. Funny.
No, when we
No,
say a
it
very
is
fun,
like a story. Story.
about what?
About wait a minute.
Okay.
A story about film.
Okay, it is a story about love. It's a story about love. Okay, that is romance, like Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so that is romance. What about thriller?
Thriller. It is a movie
About what?
about we just like boring.
Okay. Now, when we say thriller, Bomb, it is a type of story that is intended to make people feel excited or fearful because it includes suspense and danger. Okay, suspense and danger. Last one, adventure.
It means we had lots of adventures. Like we go to the island and we live there 100 days.
Okay,
And we go
yes.
and find the treasure.
Okay, yes, exciting journeys and quests. So now let us have this one and let us practice. Tell me if you like or you don't like these. Okay, make these sentences true for you, Bomb. Can you tell me your answer for one?
Okay. I like adventure stories.
Very okay. Now, what about for two?
I don't like fictions.
Oh, okay. Three.
I like not fictions.
Oh, you like nonfiction. Okay, four.
I don't like horror stories.
Okay, what about for five?
I like crime stories.
Okay, what about for six?
I don't like science fiction books.
Okay, seven.
I don't like fantastic book.
And for eight.
I love romance book.
Okay, thank you so much, Bob. Now let us proceed to exercise 4, dialogue. So in here you will be, Carol, read and comprehend, Bob, because I will be asking you questions afterwards. Now, what types of books do you like, Carol?
I read a lot. I really like science fiction and fantasy.
Why do you like those types of books?
I like them because they are very creepy.
Creative.
Creative.
Creative, okay. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is the
Hobbit.
Is a Page Turner.
What type of book is it?
It is a fantasy.
What is it about?
It is set
Set
in other words. It's about a hoppy named Paula
Bilbo Baggins.
Bugger leaves this quiet home and goes on adventures.
Why do you like it?
Well, I think the hobby is exciting and grim, and it's very
It's very, very creative.
creative. Is one of the best book ever written.
Very good.
I know
Okay.
it. I know.
Oh, you know it. Okay. That's nice. Can you tell me, Bomb, what types of books does Carol like?
Carol like the hobbies.
Yeah, what types of book is it? Horror, romance?
Fantasy.
Okay, yes, fiction and fantasy books. Why does Carol like those types of books?
Because it is very fantasy.
Because it's very fantasy? Because they are very
Exciting.
creative. Okay, they're very creative. Now, why does Carol like The Hobbit?
Because it is a very exciting book.
Okay, yes, it is exciting, gripping, and very creative. Now, I believe that would be all it, Bomb. So tomorrow we'll have exercise 5. Take good care of yourself there. Goodbye, Bomb.
Goodbye, teacher.